Good day, everybody. Jayant Vasansetti here, founder of Pixeltests. So today we have a very special guest. Her name is Jyoti. She's currently, or previously, she was a lecturer at Veerappa Nisti Engineering College, Sorapur. She has a diploma in electronics and communication engineering at Gulbarga, Karnataka. She's from Bangalore. So congratulations, Jyoti, on finishing the blockchain certification program. You're in the silver community. Once again,
thank you, sir.
Once again, we are grateful that you're here and for your time. Would love to know, first off, in your own words, what is your background? Where are you, and what's your journey been like?
Currently means I'm totally belong to the teaching field. So I completely, my dedication is for the teaching field only. Then after marriage and career back, I thought like that, why I have to go for that only? Because to be a teaching field, we need to prepare for the NET and SET exam. I tried once and two times. Unfortunately, with being a family, so I can't proceed for that. Then I thought to change in my career. So then I thought like that, join to the IT field. So once I thought to the IT field, why you have to go for the same again? Have to looking for a new career, a new opportunity. When I'm looking for a new opportunity, once I saw the ad in a web, so then I'm looking for this and what I getting, then I joined for the course.
Wow, brilliant.
Thank you, sir.
And so, I mean, typically I've seen, faculty members are also in the community who have joined both in the blockchain or in the artificial intelligence. One thing I've seen is there are some resistances, like in terms of, I'm more from a theory aspect. Maybe I'm not that comfortable in programming or technical skills, etc. So how did you kind of overcome, those kind of maybe resistances or frictions in your own mind? Would you be comfortable sharing that?
Yes, sir, because that programming is not an issue, because when we have the logical concept, in being a teaching field, we will obviously have the logic concept. When we have the logic concept, we can do the programming easily. First of all, we have to understand what is there and what we need to do. Means programming is like that only, flow or algorithm. If you understand, means one words we can say logic. If you know the logic, we can do everything. If you have the confidence and if you have the right path and right direction, if like that pixel test, what we have joined, they had thought very well for our programming language. So then I had joined the course. Even I nowhere faced this any problem for that.
Wow.
So thanks, sir.
Brilliant. So you're saying, like, because programming is just first principles and based on logic,
Yes,
and if you're reasonable at logic or mathematics, or if you have, some sort of
concept,
concepts, then you can, come in and thrive. And perfect. So now coming to your own personal journey, it's fantastic that, you took you were courageous or bold, and many people might not be sort of decisioning like that. I want to just go back to that time, when as a faculty, you're probably teaching or you were in between jobs, etc. What was your mindset? I believe you joined maybe 6 to 7 months ago. What was your mindset 2 to 3 months or maybe 6 months leading up to, clicking on the ad and watching the entire webinar, masterclass, and then joining is one thing. But what can you talk a little bit, Jyoti, about what was that pinnacle or the climax moment where you in the mindset of, I want a better higher job, or I want to get more money, or I want to do something challenging, or you were watching some YouTube videos on blockchain already? How was your mindset and how did that journey come along?
First of all, I'm very excited to learn the new things. So when I'm searching for the new opportunity, so I'm looking for all the ads and web and technology which is there in currently, so that I can build my career. Whenever we are looking for opportunity, career, both the things, we should go for the new and best thing which we require. So I searched for the many things. Then I got this institute is the best one, and the way of explaining. Because the Web3, whenever we have the career break, so we are looking for the good opportunity, because whenever we are outcome, we should have the chance to get new things and in an industry. So that I have joined the course. Even that Latika madam, she's explained very well. So she's the way of explanation is attracted in a one moment. I have attended the one webinar and I had joined for the course. Even that webinar I had not at all registered. My husband registered for that course, and he is looking for this because both are thinking about the career. So we both have searching simultaneously. He looked towards the Pixeltext and he registered for that course, and we attended the same day. And then we have decided at the same, even within the time, last 10 to 13 minutes they are given for the registration. I am the first register that okay, I will do this course, this is the right fit for my career. Then I thought like that. Thanks, sir.
Wow. And may I ask, what does your husband do? Is he also in tech IT?
Yes, he's he's in the same blockchain marketing only, but he is belong to finance department, sir.
Oh, wow, excellent.
He's working in Saul Ultima company, sir.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Wow. So husband and wife both are into blockchain and Web3.
Yes.
That's excellent. That's phenomenal. So it seems like there's some sort of couple osmosis also going on. So maybe you guys are discussing topics about blockchain, towards the best pedagogy, best teaching methods, faculty, everything. That's brilliant. Excellent. Very rare that couples, husband and wives are into the same sector and thinking about it. And a sector that is also fast growing, that is new. Okay. Yeah. Now, I want to talk about a little more about coming to the course and the contents, etc. Can you share, a little bit about once you came to the course, something about the pedagogy? What are the things that you liked specifically, with either Professor Pandurangan or, Professor Satya Peri, or IIT Madras CCE? Any points that you can recall and that comes to your mind, or, Sripati sir, or etc. Or some of the chapters like, hash functions or SHAs or consensus algorithms, etc. Some highlights there?
Yes, sir. Because each section will be divided in terms of modules. In each modules, we have learned many things. Professor Pandurangan sir taught architecture first, whatever the concept of the Bitcoin and why the Bitcoin existence, what it happened in the financial crashes, everything he explained very well. And even alternate we have the lab sessions or hands-on sessions. In hands-on session, we learn a lot of, because this programming is completely new for me. And so, Sachimanam and the way of explaining, because initially I have some problem in my system login and everything. For taking a care of each and every step, she instructed me very well. You have to type like this, you have to enter this one, and you have to work like this. Because when we are new to this field, we will face a lot of problems because we don't know anything in the Python and everything. Especially I have faced a problem in installation of Python. That class was very well, because I know that class means remembering it. Because when we are existing in the programming world, we don't know anything. In one moment we'll got everything, means that will be very excited to us. Then even Sripati sir, he also explained very well for regarding the programming of Solidity. Satyan sir, he explained about the threading, sir. That concept is very well, because whatever in current market we require, that threading concept is the very well. Due to that concept only, I understand the whole concept of the programming and how the programming will work in the loop and everything. All the section modules still I am missing, because whenever I got the time, I will rewatch all the modules and what the knowledge means, what required in the current technology or the field, that everything we have learned there. Nowhere we are facing any problems. Each modules will be thought like that, what required in the current existing. So overall session was very good. Thank you sir, and thank you all the professor and each and everyone for the conducting such a beautiful course for us.
Thank you. We are grateful that we have good students like you. I also wanted to talk about a little bit about the orientation section. Do you remember any sort of shifts that had come to your mind, especially watching Success Mindset and the other Nitya Shanti says Find Your Calling? Were you able to remember that?
Sorry sir, that class I have missed, because that day we are shifting to Bangalore. that course. But I watched the remaining orientations class. Those will be inspiring for us. Means whatever we have missed, what we require for our improvement, those all will be taught, and those all sections will be very well. Means how we have to prepare and how we have to conduct everything. Even each and every classes will be like that. To be means usually I'm telling I'm a fresher, I'm fresher. You have taught me that you should not consider you as a fresher, because when you have learned something means you are not a fresher. You have know everything. And that day also I remember, sir, you motivated me like that. Sir, your motivation speech and everything will be like build and make confidence in myself so that I can be stand in this field. Thanks, sir.
Yeah, I mean, see, the idea is like once you go through, see, this is a new field, right, Jyoti?
Yes,
and
sir.
once you go through something, even if it's a chapter or, a sequence of chapters or some hands-on experience and programming, you are no more a fresher. Like in
Yes,
somebody
sir.
who's, even 30 years who knows Java doesn't know anything about blockchain. So here, because you, like you said, consensus, threading concepts and all those, or even solidity, even if you know how to write a simple hello world, you're much better off than the
Yes, sir.
experienced people, because most of them don't even try to upskill. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. And yeah, and coming to the, maybe towards the end of this, would love to know if you have any sort of thoughts specifically for people who are trying to join, or more so even women. I hope you are able to remember, we do have a cashback
Yes, sir.
for women or for people who have done Vipassana,
Yes,
and
sir.
people who are now, we have extended that to army and defense, and also differently abled people, like people who have like some sort of physical disability or ability at
Yes, sir.
now. Would
Yes,
love
sir.
to know, and you've been a recipient of that, of the women's scholarship, because you've completed certification successfully.
Yes, sir.
Would love to know your thoughts on, many women who are, trying to upskill, who are maybe also have some resistances, maybe if tech is right for me, etc. What are the words you have for them, and by your own words, like maybe freshers or women or others, what are the 2-3 points you have for them?
Yes, sir. Because whenever first of all, women or girls, whatever, they have to give the time for the family. Once they give the time, family time means they will have the career break. So to fulfill the career break and because we have, for women or a girl, it will be very a special moment, because she has to look for her career as well as the family. Once she has completed her responsibilities, then she will look for her career. When we are looking for a career, this is the best and wonderful opportunity and a wonderful platform. So that, because whenever the girl is having a career back, she will be looking for a best platform to build her career. So that is the best career platform. And once again that refund of scholarship, that is very helpful for us, because both will be requirement, financial condition and the career and knowledge, opportunity, everything. When we are looking means, this is the perfect platform we can have. That it's again, don't think any woman is having anything. She can, if she has the positive mindset, if she has the thinking like that, I can do, I have the concept. Once she have the positive mindset, then she can do everything. She can learn everything with the best teacher and best mentors.
Wow, that is so powerful. Good takeaway. If a person is positive, woman or men,
Yes, sir.
and she has a great mindset, she can do anything. That's phenomenal.
Yes.
Perfect. And well, this brings us to the end of the session. Would love to once again congratulate you on completing the blockchain certification of IIT Madras CCE and Pixeltests. And any other feedback that you have for us, feel free to let us know. Reach out to us. And guys, whoever's watching this on YouTube or Facebook or Twitter, Instagram, wherever, top the 3 points that you love or you have learned from Jyoti and her journey. And if you like it, hit subscribe to us. Thank you again, once again, Jyoti, for your time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.